Hello everyone. In this question, it is asked that we are to find the complete set of real values of k for which the inequality kx square minus kx minus 1 less than 0 is true for any real x. Okay, so we are given a quadratic inequality kx square minus kx minus 1 which is less than 0 and is true for any real x. Okay, so if we draw the curve of this expression, okay, the curve will be, since this is negative, the expression will lie below this x-axis. Okay, the nature will be something like this. If this is the x-axis, then if it is below the x-axis, this is negative. Okay, so for this case to happen, the two conditions should be that firstly this coefficient of x square k, this has to be less than 0, otherwise this parabola, this curve will not be your open downwards. Okay, it will go up here above the x-axis, and the other condition should be that this does not intersect the x-axis or go above the x-axis, which means that the discriminant has to be less than 0, which means this has no real roots. So these are the two conditions. So the discriminant, if it is less than 0, this implies that here it will be k square minus 4 times k times minus 1 is less than 0. So on simplifying this, this becomes k square plus 4k less than 0, which on factorizing becomes k times k plus 4 less than 0, which becomes basically k times k minus of minus 4 less than 0. Okay, so from here this gives the range of k, which is that k must lie between minus 4 to 0 open, since this is a strict inequality. Okay, so this is the condition, and we are also given the other condition that k should be negative, and other condition is that k should be less than 0. These are the two conditions. Now on observing this inequality here, which is let's say this is equation star. Okay, taking k equal to 0 in star, we get k times 0 square minus k times 0 minus 1, which is minus 1, which is less than 0. So k equal to 0 satisfies the given inequality, right? So from this condition we were given that k should exclude 0, but again if we take the value of 0, k equal to 0, the original inequality is satisfied. Okay, so on combining both conditions, we get that the range of k, the complete range of k, should be from minus 4 excluded to 0 included. Okay, this should be the complete set of real values of k, because k equal to 0, it is satisfying the original inequality. Okay, this is the first and foremost the primary condition. If this is satisfied for a real value of k, we have to include that. So since k equal to 0 is satisfying this inequality, so we will include that. And the other value is from these two conditions, that k should be less than 0 and this discriminant should be negative, so that the curve is below the x-axis. Okay, so the final condition, final answer should be that k is in this solution set, that open interval minus 4 to 0 included. Okay, so this is the final answer. Thank you.